Hey War Eagles, welcome back to the 2021-2022 school year. It's great to have you all back and see your faces and see you in the hallways, doing great things in the classrooms, on the fields, on the courts, in the band hall, in the theater room, and in the AV room. It's been a great start to the year. I'm super excited to have you all back, and I'm really glad to have another year of WENN. The War Eagle News Network is one of the premier student-run news networks in the state of Texas. It's informative, it's fun, and a lot of times you're going to hear a lot of great things about our school and a lot of great information about what's going on, not only at Oak Ridge, but in Conroe ISD and in the state of Texas. So have a great year, War Eagles. We're glad to have you back, and as always, make it a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Now, welding is a good career for young people. You get to travel a lot. You can make some really good money real quick. Yeah, I definitely recommend it. Students' activities during the year, they learn the 4 processes of welding: SMAW, GMAW, GTAW, FCAW. Hopefully they get to put that to use and start building projects using blueprints. Most used process that we use is SMAW, which is shielded metal arc welding. The slang for that is stick. Stick welding, you would have electrodes. They have different numbers on them, different purposes, different diameters. They have a flux core on them. When the flux is melted, it turns into a slag, which protects the weld. That's why it's called shielded metal arc welding. The health issues for especially underwater welding, it's not as bad as it used to be. They have different methods of bringing people up now that are a lot better. Depending on what region you live in, what country you live in, starting welding jobs around Houston area is anywhere from $18 to $22 an hour. I think there's more to welding than just laying down a bead. You got to be able to work as a team when you're welding, a lot of communications, and that's what we try to teach here is team welding. We break into groups a lot, that way peer teaching helps.
What I think about all my classes, I think they're pretty cool. I got cool teachers, you know what I'm saying? Classes ain't really too long. It's nice.
They're pretty chill. All the teachers are pretty cool. I mean, they've been really supportive and helpful.
I like forensic science and floor design cool too. I like floor design.
English or economic.
Choir.
Definitely physics.
It feel cool. Like I was here last year. I didn't really take online. It was cool. But summer, I enjoyed summer. I didn't want it to end like that.
It was good because it's senior year, but just want to graduate.
Feels good. It's a long time coming, you know what I'm saying? A lot of progress, and you know what I'm saying? This is only the beginning. It's just starting. Life is just starting.
Hopefully to get accepted to a college, you know, start off somewhere.
Get money, get bread, and you know what I'm saying? Be a better person.
Get the best grades and try to go off and graduate and do good.